The High Court of the Federal Capital Territory is currently seized with a matter involving Julius Abure, the embattled national chairman of the Labour Party who has been suspended from the party. The court has set May 12 as the date for ruling on Abure's application against his suspension, which has been challenged on the grounds of alleged fraud, forgery and criminal conspiracy. Along with 3 members of the national leadership of the Labour Party, Abure has been restrained from acting as executives in the party. The defendants have argued that the lawsuit relates to the party's internal affairs and is therefore beyond the court's jurisdiction. During the recent hearing on the matter, the defendants raised a preliminary objection and contended that the court lacked jurisdiction over the case, as it concerns the internal affairs of the party. However, the 8 claimants in the case filed a separate proceeding for contempt against Abure, his co-defendants and the president of the Nigeria Labour Congress for allegedly violating a court order. This case is being closely watched by observers as it has significant implications for the future of the Labour Party, which has been beset by infighting and allegations of corruption. The ruling of the court on May 12 is expected to provide much-needed clarity on the legality of Abure's suspension and the broader issues at stake in the case.
The people that came to court had no power to discipline the national officers of the party in compliance with the constitution of the party. We also said that the process by which they came is wrong, because they came by way of originating summons, which is a documentary way of coming to court.
What happened in court today was the court listened to the preliminary objection that was filed by the lawyer to Abure in respect of the forgery and perjury that was investigated by the police. And they raised the issue of preliminary objection of the fact that the court cannot hear the originating summons because it borders on internal party activities. That was what happened, and the counsel to the plaintiff also argued against it. And the court has actually fixed 12th of May to rule on that preliminary objection.
The NLC chairman who led them, president, who led them on immediately after the court proceedings on Monday to the office of the Labour Party. They came in through the back, and then he was there in the news saying that no court of law in Nigeria can restrain them from doing anything. That is an affront to the rule of law. That is an affront and flagrant disobedience to the order of a competent court of record.